Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, tire pressure monitor. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.